Alright, that's it. Okay, enough is enough. I've had it with you and your baby. I haven't met you yet. I know you're new to this building, but I'm not gonna be nice because you know what? You seem like a real fucking cunt face to me. Can you hear that? I can hear it. That's your baby fucking crying her eyes out. You know, that's bad parenting. Bad fucking parenting. So I'm gonna give you some advice. Pick her up, you know, sway her back, and or maybe just whip that fucking titty out and let her suck it fucking dry. Maybe she's fucking hungry. And then we all could go to fucking sleep. Thank you. Ah.